Hi. Welcome to the restaurant.
Hello. Thank you for having me.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I do. My name is Jack.
Let me check for you.
Sure, take your time.
I found your reservation.
Great. Thank you.
Your table is ready now.
Where is my table?
It's right over here.
Thank you. It looks nice.
Would you like to see the menu?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Here is the menu for you.
Thank you. What do you recommend?
I recommend the pasta dish.
That sounds delicious.
Would you like a drink?
Yes, I would like some water.
Sparkling or still water?
I prefer still water, please.
Sure. I will bring that.
Thank you. How long is the wait?
The food will be ready soon.
Great. I'm a bit hungry.
What else would you like?
I will have the salad too.
Good choice. Any dressing?
Yes, please add vinaigrette.
I will take care of that.
Thank you. How busy is it today?
It's quite busy tonight.
I see. I hope it's not too long.
I will check on your order.
That would be great. Thank you.
Do you want dessert later?
Yes, I love dessert.
We have cake and ice cream.
I would like to try the cake.
Excellent choice.
What kind of cake do you have?
We have chocolate and vanilla.
I will have the chocolate cake.
Perfect. I will remember that.
Thank you. How is the chocolate cake?
It's very rich and tasty.
Sounds wonderful.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I will order the pasta.
What type of pasta do you want?
I'll have the spaghetti.
Great choice. Any meat with that?
Yes, please add meatballs.
I will add meatballs to your order.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Do you need anything else?
No, that's all for now.
Okay. I will be right back.
I will wait here. Thank you.
Here is your water.
Thank you. It's refreshing.
Your food will be ready soon.
I can't wait to eat.
Do you come here often?
No, it's my first time.
I hope you enjoy it.
I'm sure I will.
Would you like to see the specials?
Yes, please. What are they?
We have grilled salmon today.
That sounds good.
It comes with rice and vegetables.
I might try that next time.
Would you like to order now?
Yes, I'm ready to order.
What would you like?
I'll have the spaghetti and salad.
What dressing for the salad?
I'd like ranch dressing, please.
Got it. Anything else?
No, that's all for now.
I'll put in your order.
Thank you. How long will it take?
It should be about 15 minutes.
That's not too long. Thanks.
You're welcome. Would you like bread?
Yes, I love bread with my meal.
I'll bring some fresh bread.
Thank you. That sounds great.
Here's your bread and water.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
Your salad will be ready soon.
I'm looking forward to it.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have any allergies.
That's good to know.
Thank you for checking.
I want you to enjoy your meal.
I appreciate your help.